New beginnings, new beginnings. Wake up high, the sun's going down. Time to start your day, bro. Can't keep being late.
Alright guys, it is our second day in Vietnam and we just spent the entire morning just getting some work done in the hotel room. Didn't really film too much just because, you know, we were just kind of busy. I was just responding to messages, getting texts out, doing some basic operations for the companies that I'm running. All pretty standard stuff. Now we are on our way to go grab some lunch. We're going to this place. What does this place have?
It's like a omelet.
Okay, apparently it's like a Vietnamese omelet place. We're gonna check this place out and yeah, we're gonna go grab some food. Hello, for Daniel. They take these grabs everywhere in Vietnam with us. You basically can't survive without it. We're on our way to go grab some lunch. Guys, these almonds are huge. I don't know, you guys can see this? This is huge, look at this, this is insane. But pretty much the guy came and he like wrapped it for me and he made this little thing. It's in rice paper, there's lettuce, some cilantro, and then the omelet which has like chicken inside it, I think. And yeah, and he told me to just dip it in the sauce and go straight in. One thing that all my friends know about me is I'm genuinely such a foodie, so I'm super excited to try this. I'm gonna dip it in right now. 지끈지끈해도 머릿속은 울리고 울리지도 않는 폰을 안 집어쳐. Alright, so we've been at this cafe for around a couple hours now. We've just been getting some work done, working on managing a couple campaigns. We closed a couple deals with some companies that we're going to be working with today. And then I also had just a couple calls that were spread out alongside some basic management. And I had a conversation today with a founder and he was just currently building a product and asked for my advice and feedback and just really kind of wanted to understand what I thought about what he was building as someone that's been in the tech space and has a lot more experience than him because he's just recently getting into things. And thankfully I was able to give him a lot of great insight. I won't say the name, but it was a software product that pretty much helps run marketing campaigns more efficiently and organize things like payments to creators all on one platform. I just gave him a couple of feature ideas that he decided to actually implement. But after that comment was over and I'd given him some great value, he asked me if he could come to me for advice again and pretty much earnestly said that he would really want to make it worth my time. And he almost seemed worried that I wouldn't find the conversations that we had of value because technically I'm not really gaining anything from giving him my insight. And I just kind of calmed him down. I told him that he doesn't have to worry about not receiving anything in return for the advice that I'm giving out. Because ultimately the way that I see it is when I see a founder that is so passionate and so driven and is chasing out other people's perspectives just to learn more about the space and get a better grasp on how to truly build their businesses, it really takes a lot to get to that level of passion. So I told him straight up, like, bro, I see this fire inside of you. I'm not looking for a transactional relationship. The way that I see it is if I give to you now freely and I just give and I give you all the value that I can through just simple mere casual conversations, I truly have this belief of karma that I will receive some sort of long-term return. But even as that is in the back of my mind, that is never at the center of my heart when I'm helping curate these founders to the vision that they have for themselves and their company. I think in business, specifically in tech, it is so important to give unconditionally because I think that'll naturally make you a magnet to truly good and genuine people in your life whose success will only come full circle to you. And I know that is a little bit controversial in a world where everyone is learning to say no more and people always want something to gain out of each other. I think any industry would be a better place if people just looked out even a tiny bit more for others. And for me, at least, that is the type of brand and reputation that I'm trying to build in this space because I think that that level of character is where true longevity will bloom out of. But yeah, apart from that, I think I need a little bit of a break. I'm a little bit hungry. I'm also looking to try out some shops that my friends recommended in Vietnam. So me and Max are about to finish the UI of this project that we're working on real quick. I'm gonna head out and go have some fun.
You know I like it when I was 19. 그 눈빛은 아마도 제일 낫지. 왠지 몰라도 더 선명했었어. 점점 멀어져 의미도 없이. Those days long ago, the good times.
Okay guys, so we finished up some shopping and we are currently getting Pretty early dinner. It's only 6 here, but me and Max are both pretty hungry. Really good. Ooh. Yeah, but apparently this pho is really good. Max's friend who literally lives in Vietnam recommended this place. I'm super excited to try and hopefully it'll be really good. I'm gonna add in some bean sprouts, right? Soybean sauce. And I'm gonna also add in some lemon and some chilies. This man has been non-verbal, bro. This man is locked in on his food. All right, guys, we're about to try this pho. I'm super excited. Oh yeah, that's good. That's really good. But it actually hits the soul. It's so good. I'm gonna add a little bit more sauce though. But yeah, I mean, this is why I came to Vietnam now. I came to eat. That's what I'm gonna go with traveling. But yeah, after this, I'm gonna go shop a little bit more. Max is getting a little bit tired, so I might just go back to the hotel and rest for a little bit. But you guys know me. I'm not gonna stop shopping. But for me, I have clothes on the table. I need to look around a little bit more.